Well, here we are. This is my home slash office. And it looks like we're going to get about a foot of snow today. Pretty cool. Come on, I'll show you around. This is my porch. And a little space there for the kids to do some homework. And the playroom. The playroom. Spend a lot of hours in here. What time is it? Oh boy, they'll be home soon. That's our mailman. Oh. Favorite time of day. And what's this? Oh, that's Noddy. He's just a kitten. And my office. I spend a lot of time in here every day. And of course you've got, there's a picture I took down Pennypack. Boy, it almost looks professional. And then you've got our kitchen. I spend too much time in here too. I smell bread. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, she's cooking. Yeah, we're going to get a lot today. The roads are all going to be slowed up. Accidents, everything. So I figured I'd just give you a little glimpse at my home and my office. It's comfortable. I laid down a new floor out here. I like the easy clean. Ooh, wow, it's really coming down good. Okay, well, I gotta go. I'll show you the rest of the house another time, I guess. Well, ooh, let it snow. Eesh. Sure would like to be in Florida. Here's the famous Greeman's Deli. I think Dave went down to Florida. And the owner. A good guy. Well, let's break out those shovels and throw some salt down, I guess, huh? Yay! See you guys.